Hi guys, just received this parcel through the post today. This is the ROHR SMINI 140 amp stick welder. Here it is, straight out of the box. We've got a really nice black carry case it comes in. Really never had anything this small with regards to a welder, so this is all new to me. First in the carry case, we've got a welding screen, I have put these in here, these don't come with it. Handle for the welding screen. I didn't know that it came with a welding screen, so I've actually ordered a welding helmet. Here we've got our leads, earth clamp, and our clamp for our welding rods. Got a little wire brush there and a hammer on the back. And here is the tiny welder, which it is tiny. It is a metal case. We've got a plastic front and back. In fact, this just comes straight out of the case. It's got a little bit of movement on it, so that'll need nipping up. But straight out of the box, it looks well made. It's got a handy little strap. It is the smallest welder I've ever seen. Little rotary dial there for choosing the current. It looks okay. Seems well made. I'll get into this bag and have a look at the leads, and then we'll go to testing it. Here's the glass for the mask. Here are the leads. We've got the clamp for the rod. That seems okay. It's not as smooth as ones that I've used in the past, but for goodness sakes, this cost 70 quid. So what the heck do you expect? Again, earth clamp. It's not the most sturdy one that I've ever used, but again, 70 quid. What the heck do you expect? Right. Got a little manual for it, how to operate. Well, incredibly impressed with the size. We'll go try welding some steel and we'll see what it can do.